time. Chilling like villains in the water. What up, y'all? It's your homeboy Justin, and we are not in my bathroom. We're actually on the Allure of the Seas Royal Caribbean cruise liner right now. I'm just gonna vlog this week about what we're doing. Say hi, Tony.
Hey guys. What's up?
Friend Tony. So we're just chilling right now. It is about almost 11 o'clock. We've done so much today already. We boarded, obviously. Funny enough, I actually just won, well not just one, but like a few hours into the cruise, we went to the spa for a drawing, for a raffle, and I won $250 for spa treatments this week. Like, this is the first day of the cruise and it's already being like amazing. So I'm just gonna take y'all over the week to let you know how it is and keep it locked. All right, bye. Just to throw some perspective out there, y'all see that Carnival ship? Now, do you see my Royal Caribbean ship behind it? It is so big. Like, that's what I'm working with right now.
Go Jimmy!
I don't know. Check the Look at the food. It's her souffle.
Oh my goodness!
Rainbow sherbet.
You know what's better than that?
What?
My face. Get that.
What up, y'all? It's your homeboy Justin. We are in the very end of day 2 of this cruise. Just got done singing karaoke, did a little Ed Sheeran thinking out loud. And what was that? Before that, we went to dinner, which was really good. Oh, between that and this karaoke thing, we did the opera show, which was also really fun. Divers, acrobatics, gymnasts, trampoline artists, all that, trapeze artists, all that stuff. It was really cool. What else? Today we were in the Bahamas. I woke up late and just kind of, mosey on around, looked at some stuff. I bought some new glasses actually that are really nice. You might see them later on the vlog. They're actually bamboo, made by this brand called Poof. So I like them.
All natural, environmentally friendly, which is good. Save the planet, save the whales, save the trees, save everybody. What else? So yeah, it's been a really cool day, really nice time, and I've just been enjoying myself a lot today. Yeah. So one of the cool things happened is actually that the crowd was really warm and welcoming when I sang, and one guy afterwards shook my hand and said, "You don't sing Ed Sheeran unless you got a voice." So that was nice. But it's been a fun day. It's been a fun day. Book my massages and everything else later, so we will see how that goes. All right, bye. We're going. How's it going? Wait, take it, Jimmy. You are my fire, the one desire. Oh yeah. was just very fun. And we're sitting over here at Megan's Bay in St. Thomas, Virgin Islands. Do you see this? Do you see this? It's ridiculous. Okay, y'all, so this is day 4 of the trip. We're in St. Thomas right now in the Virgin Islands. We are chilling at, what's it called? Megan Bay. Just chilling in the water, and I feel like I would inform you guys what happened yesterday since I didn't vlog yesterday. And so I figured what's the best way to vlog than in the water. Say hi to her, say hi.
Hi.
There's Kim. Chilling. So yeah, we've just been, oh, the water's cold. Ooh, okay, there we go. So we've just been chilling in the water. Yesterday was fun. Yesterday was just a day at sea. That was just chilling and doing that whole thing. Let me show you guys the whole like view though. Look at this view. So what was yesterday? Woke up, worked out, then ate breakfast, then did the little surf flow rider thingy. Then what did we do after that?
Yesterday?
I don't even know what I did yesterday. I forgot it all.
No, you guys went to eat the sushi hibachi place.
Oh yeah, then we went to the hibachi. That was really good. Then after that, I think swimming, tanning. Then dinner, I think.
We got ready for dinner.
Yeah, then we got dinner. It was formal night. Y'all, we was looking too fresh, too fly. It was pretty awesome. So we did that. And then, I'm all wet. And then after that, we just kind of, I don't know, well, I met a nice person. We hung out. I'll put it that way.
There you go. There you go.
And then we went to, well, I missed the singles mixer because I just wasn't, I was busy. We'll put it that way. But then after that, we went to this lovely dance party at the solarium at the front of the ship, so that was really fun. And then went to sleep, and now we woke up this morning and ate breakfast, and now we are in St. Thomas at this beautiful place. I can't believe I'm here right now.
But you are.
But I am. You're right, Kim. I am. This is just amazing. So I will talk to you all later. Tomorrow we are in St. Kitts and Nevis. We're gonna do some awesome quad biking, so I will take you guys along for that tomorrow. Peace! Okay, y'all, it is day 5 of this cruise. It's like 7:30 a.m. and I was trying to get breakfast before we go on the quad bike excursion tonight. But the thing is I was gonna walk through Central Park, but it's raining. So I'm now walking through the promenade to get to the Windjammer Marketplace to eat breakfast and trying to avoid the rain. So let's see if this works. This is the current situation. It's raining. It's raining in St. Kitts. So we're leaving St. Kitts. We're not going to the shore today because of the rain. Apparently our captain said that it's so flooded that they're not opening the shops in the port, and it's also dangerous because of the streets being flooded to let anyone off the ship. So all the excursions have been canceled for the day. We're leaving St. Kitts and we're just gonna head back to Florida. I'm hoping that they're gonna find some type of port for us to stop by. Maybe St. Martin or St. Lucia or St. Croix, I'm not sure. But something like that. Tom is laying on me right now. Hi Tom, how's it going? Welcome to the vlog.
Going good.
This is my friend Tom.
Hello.
So, now we're leaving kids and just heading back to Florida. So, we'll see what happens. Hopefully we'll stop somewhere. But yeah, the rain is raining on our parade, but you really can't be mad at that. You can't control the weather. We are gonna get refunded our money that we spent for the excursion. It goes in that whole exception rule of weather, and we didn't even port, we didn't even dock. They couldn't get the thing set up, so a little bump in the cruise, but I'm still having a great time. So you can't be mad at things you can't control, so it's all good. We'll see what happens next, right? Guys!
Oh my god!
You are the love of my life.
Oh my god! Oh my god! No, it's not. It's not.
Lobster, on chicken, on lobster, y'all. It's meant for anything. Y'all, just look at this view. This is ridiculous. This is the almost last day of the cruise, and I'm very sad. We just found this awesome deck where we have this amazing view. And so now we're about to go to this show called Blue Planet, and then a comedy show. So I'll check in later. Peace. What's up, Cam?
What are we doing?
We're drinking right now. We're drinking and we're about to go to the solarium to dance for a little bit.
Is your glass?
Clink, clink. What's going on? Good morning, everybody. Because vacation is not over yet, we decided to go to Fort Lauderdale Beach Park because why not? So here we are. We're gonna chill here for like a few more hours before our flight at 4. So we're just gonna chill and relax and have fun.
I can't breathe.
When I tell y'all this is beautiful, believe me, it is beautiful, y'all. Oh my gosh. Can't believe this. This is amazing. Woo! Oh my gosh. You know what, after the cruise, this is a nice kind of nightcap before we get back to, you know, regular things and business as usual. Now we've got a little bit more sun, a little bit more sand, a little bit more water. When you gotta leave the beach, but you still look good. We're done. You guys see this? You see all this? This is from her. This is the face of a savage. You think your kids are worse? You think your kids are horrible? You don't take them to dinner? Don't take her. Take your kids instead because by then we'll just annihilate the floor.